This is a little girl. She's very poor. She has no shoes. She has no money. But she has a big, heavy bag. Inside the bag, she has 5 atomic bombs. Yes, real atomic bombs. They are silver. They are shiny. They look like expensive toys. She is standing on the street corner. Bombs. Buy a bomb, she shouts. Only $100. Very hot, very bright. It is New Year's Eve. Everyone is buying gifts, but nobody wants to buy an atomic bomb from a little girl. A rich man walks past her. He has a big stomach. He has a big cigar. The little girl stops him. "Sir," she says, "please buy a bomb. It is very special. It will make you very warm." The rich man looks at the silver bomb. He laughs. "A bomb? I don't want a bomb," he says. "I have a big heater. I have a big house. I have a big dog. Go away, little girl." He walks away. He does not know that he is very unlucky. The girl is very, very cold. Her hands are blue. Her nose is red. She sits down in the snow. She looks at her bag. "I am so cold," she whispers. The rich man is mean. The street is dark. "I have 5 bombs. Maybe I can use a small one. Just one to be warm." She takes out the smallest silver bomb. She finds a red button on the side. She pushes the button. Click. The bomb does not make a small fire. The bomb makes a giant flash of white light. The trash can next to her disappears. The snow on the ground disappears. Everything is very hot and very bright. The girl closes her eyes. She sees a vision. She sees a giant roasted turkey. The turkey is as big as a house. It smells like salt and pepper. It is the most beautiful turkey in the world. But then the light goes away. The turkey is gone. There is only a big black hole in the ground. "Wow," the girl says. "That was a very warm turkey." But the cold wind comes back. It is colder than before. The girl is shaking. She takes out the second bomb. This one is a little bigger. She pushes the red button. Click. The explosion is very, very loud. The wall of the building next to her flies into the sky. A man was watching television inside the building. Now the man is sitting in the snow. He still has his television remote, but he has no house. The girl feels very warm now. In the bright light, she sees 1,000 Christmas trees. The trees are made of gold. They have silver bells. The bells go ring, ring, ring. The girl is very happy, but then pop. The light goes away. The gold trees are gone. The man with the television remote is crying. "I need more warmth," the girl says. She takes out the 3rd bomb. This bomb is medium-sized. She pushes the red button. Click. The sky turns purple. The cars on the street fly away like little birds. The police station disappears. The school disappears. The girl sees her grandmother in the middle of the light. Her grandmother died many years ago, but now she is there. Her grandmother is wearing a white scientist coat. She is holding a giant bowl of chocolate ice cream. "Come here, my dear," her grandmother shouts. Her voice is louder than the explosion. "Come to the sky. It is 5,000 degrees here. It is never cold." "Grandma, wait for me," the girl cries. She does not want her grandmother to leave. She looks at her bag. She has 2 bombs left. One is big. The last one is very, very big. She takes them both. She pushes both red buttons at the same time. Click, click. "Happy New Year," the little girl shouts. Then there is no more sound. There is only light. The city disappears. The rich man's house disappears. The rich man and his big dog disappear. The trees, the cars, the shops, and the snow, everything becomes light. The entire world is white and hot. There is no more cold. There is no more hunger. There is no more New Year. There is only a very, very bright light. People on the moon look at the earth. Look, they say. The earth is very bright today. It looks like a small sun. It must be a very good party. The next morning the sun comes up, but there is no city, there is no snow. There is only a very large, very flat piece of green glass. The glass is very smooth. It is very shiny. In the middle of the glass there is a small burnt bag. It is empty. The little girl is not there. She is far away. She is with her grandmother. They are sitting inside the sun. They are eating the giant turkey. They are eating the chocolate ice cream. The girl is laughing. She is never cold again. She never sells bombs again. It was the loudest, hottest, and best New Year's Eve in the history of the world. The end.